Question 1. The cross-sectional element, camber, is provided on pavements too. The correct answer is drain off rainwater. Question 2. The recommended camber for water-bound macadam roads in heavy rainfall areas is. The correct answer is 1 in 33, 3.0%. Question 3. Stopping sight distance. Stopping sight distance is the sum of. The correct answer is lag distance plus braking distance. Question 4. The reaction time of a driver assumed for stopping sight distance calculation as per IRC is. The correct answer is 2.5 seconds. Question 5. Overtaking sight distance. Overtaking sight distance is also known as. The correct answer is passing sight distance. Question 6. Mechanical widening of a road on a curve is given by L equals wheelbase, R equals radius, N equals lanes. The correct answer is NL/2 divided by 2R. Question 7. Psychological widening depends on. The correct answer is velocity and radius. Question 8. The maximum superelevation permitted for plain terrain in India is. The correct answer is 7%, 1 in 15. Question 9. The shape of the transition curve recommended by IRC for highways is. The correct answer is spiral clothoid. Question 10. Grade compensation on curves is not required if the gradient is flatter than. The correct answer is 4%. Question 11. The ruling gradient for plain and rolling terrain is. The correct answer is 1 in 30, 3.3%. Question 12. Valley curves are designed based on. The correct answer is headlight sight distance and comfort. Question 13. Flexible pavements distribute the load. The correct answer is through grain-to-grain transfer to lower layers. Question 14. Rigid pavements distribute the load. The correct answer is by slab action, beam action, over a large area. Question 15. Los Angeles abrasion test is used to determine. The correct answer is hardness divided by abrasion resistance of aggregates. Question 16. Aggregate impact value indicates. The correct answer is toughness resistance to impact. Question 17. Flakiness index is the percentage of particles whose least dimension is less than. The correct answer is 0.6 times the mean dimension. Question 18. Penetration test on bitumen determines. The correct answer is grade divided by consistency, hardness. Question 19. Ductility of bitumen is measured in. The correct answer is cm, distance. Question 20. Softening point of bitumen is determined by. The correct answer is ring and ball apparatus. Question 21. The binding material in water-bound macadam. Water-bound macadam is. The correct answer is stone dust divided by screenings in water. Question 22. In wet mix macadam, the mix is prepared. The correct answer is in a mixing plant with optimum moisture before laying. Question 23. Prime coat is applied on. The correct answer is existing porous divided by absorbent surface like water-bound macadam. Question 24. Tack coat is applied on. The correct answer is existing bituminous divided by non-porous surface. Question 25. Seal coat is applied. The correct answer is on top of the final bituminous layer to waterproof it. Question 26. Bitumen emulsion is effective when. The correct answer is The aggregate is wetter during rainy season. Question 27. Cutback bitumen is obtained by blending bitumen with. The correct answer is volatile solvents, kerosene, petrol. Question 28. CBR California bearing ratio test is used for design of. The correct answer is flexible pavements. Question 29. Westergaard's analysis is used for design of. The correct answer is rigid pavements. Question 30. Tie bars in rigid pavements are used in. The correct answer is longitudinal joints to hold slabs together. Question 31. Dowel bars in rigid pavements are used in. The correct answer is transverse expansion joints to transfer load. Question 32. Expansion joints are provided to allow for. The correct answer is expansion of slab due to temperature rise. Question 33. Critical combination of stresses in rigid pavement during summer midday is. The correct answer is load stress plus warping stress tensile at bottom. Question 34. Mud pumping is a failure characteristic of. The correct answer is rigid pavements over poor subgrade. Question 35. Potholes are a common defect in. The correct answer is flexible pavements. Question 36. Rutting involves. The correct answer is longitudinal depression in wheel paths. Question 37. Bleeding in bituminous roads is caused by. The correct answer is excess bitumen coming to the surface. Question 38. Highway drainage includes. The correct answer is surface drainage and subsurface drainage. Question 39. The standard width of broad gauge is. The correct answer is 1.676 meters. Question 40. The standard width of meter gauge mg is. The correct answer is 1.000 meters. Question 41. The standard length of broad gauge rail in India is. The correct answer is 13 meters, approximately 12.80 meters. Question 42. Coning of wheels, slope 1 in 20, helps in. The correct answer is keeping the train central and smooth curve negotiation. Question 43. Creep of rails refers to. The correct answer is longitudinal movement of rails. Question 44. Sleepers are used to. The correct answer is hold rails to gauge and transfer load to ballast. Question 45. Sleeper density is expressed as m equals rail length. The correct answer is m plus x. Question 46. The best material for ballast is. The correct answer is broken stone, granite divided by trap. Question 47. Minimum depth of ballast cushion for broad gauge tracks is. The correct answer is 20 to 25 cm. Question 48. Fish plates are used to. The correct answer is join two rail ends. Question 49. Pandrel clips are. The correct answer is elastic fastenings. Question 50. Equilibrium superelevation E for railways is. The correct answer is GV/2 divided by 127 R. Question 51. Cant efficiency is. The correct answer is difference between theoretical cant for high speed and actual cant provided. Question 52. A turnout consists of. The correct answer is a pair of tongue rails points and a crossing. Question 53. The toe of a switch is. The correct answer is The thin tapered end of the tongue rail. Question 54. Crossing number n is defined as. The correct answer is cotangent of crossing angle cot alpha. Question 55. A diamond crossing occurs when. The correct answer is two tracks cross at an acute angle. Question 56. Marshalling yard is used for. The correct answer is sorting and reforming trains' goods. Question 57. Traffic volume is. The correct answer is number of vehicles passing a point per unit time. Question 58. Traffic density is. The correct answer is number of vehicles per unit length of road V divided by km. Question 59. The relationship between flow Q, density K, and speed V is. The correct answer is Q equals K asterisk V. Question 60. Maximum flow capacity occurs at. The correct answer is optimum speed and optimum density. Question 61. Jam density refers to. The correct answer is maximum density when speed is 0. Question 62. PCU stands for. The correct answer is passenger car unit. Question 63. The PCU value for a passenger car is taken as. The correct answer is 1.0. Question 64. Time mean speed is the. The correct answer is arithmetic mean of spot speeds of vehicles. Question 65. Space mean speed is the. The correct answer is harmonic mean of spot speeds. Question 66. Origin and destination O&D studies are used for. The correct answer is planning road networks and new routes. Question 67. Desire lines are used to illustrate. The correct answer is O&D data. Question 68. A rotary intersection roundabout is suitable when. The correct answer is traffic volume is medium 503,000 PCU divided by hour. Question 69. Weaving is the maneuver used in. The correct answer is rotary intersections. Question 70. Conflict points at a four-legged intersection with two-way traffic are. The correct answer is 32. Question 71. Grade-separated interchanges include. The correct answer is cloverleaf, diamond, trumpet. Question 72. Traffic signals are designed using. The correct answer is Webster's method. Question 73. In traffic signals, cycle length is. The correct answer is time for one complete sequence of signal indications. Question 74. Regulatory signs, mandatory signs are generally. The correct answer is circular in shape. Question 75. The shape of a stop sign is. The correct answer is octagonal. Question 76. The shape of a give way sign is. The correct answer is inverted triangle. Question 77. Warning signs cautionary are generally. The correct answer is triangular with apex up. Question 78. Informatory signs are generally. The correct answer is rectangular. Question 79. Road markings are typically painted in. The correct answer is white or yellow. Question 80. Broken white lines on the road center indicate. The correct answer is overtaking is permitted if safe. Question 81. Solid double white divided by yellow lines indicate. The correct answer is no overtaking or crossing allowed. Question 82. 30th highest hourly volume is used for. The correct answer is geometric design of highways. Question 83. The 85th percentile speed is used to determine. The correct answer is safe speed limit. Question 84. The 98th percentile speed is used for. The correct answer is geometric design speed. Question 85. Road safety audit is. The correct answer is formal safety performance examination of road project. Question 86. Collision diagrams help in identifying. The correct answer is accident-prone locations, black spots. Question 87. Bitumen is a byproduct of. The correct answer is petroleum refining. Question 88. Tar is a byproduct of. The correct answer is destructive distillation of coal or wood. Question 89. Which of the following is an elastic fastening? The correct answer is pandrel clip. Question 90. Adzing of sleepers is done for. The correct answer is wooden sleepers to accommodate bearing plates. Question 91. Boxing of ballast involves. The correct answer is filling ballast around the sleeper. Question 92. Buckling of rails is caused by. The correct answer is excessive thermal expansion and insufficient expansion gap. Question 93. Hogging of rails refers to. The correct answer is vertical bending of rail ends downwards. Question 94. The function of a check rail in a crossing is to. The correct answer is guide the wheel flange and prevent derailment. Question 95. Effective length of a railway track is. The correct answer is length available for standing a train. Question 96. IRC 37 deals with. The correct answer is design of flexible pavements. Question 97. IRC 58 deals with. The correct answer is design of rigid pavements. Question 98. Radius of relative stiffness L is a parameter in. The correct answer is rigid pavement design. Question 99. Modulus of subgrade reaction K is determined by. The correct answer is plate load test. Question 100. Group index method is an empirical method for design of. The correct answer is flexible pavements.